Hi, I'm John Maxwell. When the top companies in the world are looking for trainers, speakers, and coaches, there's one name that stands above the rest, and that's the Maxwell Leadership. Our certified team members have gotten proven results for companies all over the globe, and our reputation is second to none. Some of our members have risen to the top of their profession, including the one that you're going to meet today. I proudly introduce you to my friend Zeshan.
Where does a coach belong? Should they be ahead of you, clearing the path for you, or behind you, cheering you on? Actually, it's neither. The coach's place is by your side, helping you find your footing each step of the way. Hi, I am Zeshan. I'm Maxwell Leadership Certified Coach, Speaker, Trainer, and a teacher. I am also Certified Master Parenting Coach at Parenting with Dr.Z. Moreover, I am board certified in child and adolescent psychiatry from Harvard and currently practicing in Princeton, New Jersey at Inside Out Cure Psychiatry LLC. I am passionate about personal development in all its forms, but my specialty is coaching. I get up each morning excited because I get to watch my patients, clients, and families achieve their goals. There is nothing quite as satisfying as walking alongside someone as they become the person they want to be. And if you have a goal you are striving toward, or even if you are just looking for some direction on your way, I want to partner with you in that process. John Maxwell has been one of the world's foremost leadership and personal growth experts for more than 40 years. And as a Maxwell certified coach, I am uniquely and powerfully resourced to help you accomplish anything. What does your dream need from you? What do you need to do? Who do you need to meet? Where do you need to spend your time and resources? As your coach, I will be here to guide you towards your answer to these questions. I want to help you make the uncertain certain. Together, supported by proven, effective self-development principles, we will put a plan in place that grows you steadily towards your goal. The greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Let's make it together. Contact me today to start making your dreams a reality.